So today is gonna be a beach day. I'm very excited because I haven't been to the beach yet and it's already August 3rd. So I'm gonna go meet my family there and probably gonna be stopping at the grocery store before because I didn't plan or pack anything yet. So I'll probably get some yogurts and some drinks of some sort. My mom's bringing a bunch of fruit, so I think that will be fine for most of the day. And yeah, I'm gonna walk my dogs for about an hour now, and I'll see you guys then. Alright, so we are on the way to Rocky Neck. So we're going to Rocky Neck State Park. This is either an East Lyme or Niantic, I forget. But this is a very special place to me because I've been going there since I was pretty much a baby with my parents and my grandparents and everything. So it's about a half an hour away, but I'm gonna stop and get some things from the grocery store and just to snack on. But yeah, I'll see you at the beach. So I have just a bowl full of watermelon and cantaloupe that my mother had packaged up and brought, and I went to the store and got some coconut milk Soy Delicious yogurts and my favorite brand of kombucha KeVita. And I purchased this for the first time today, a dark chocolate dessert hummus. And for anybody skeptical, it tastes just like a brownie batter, so go buy yourself some because you won't regret it. And my mom was clever enough to juice a bunch of watermelon at her house that she brought in this cute little container so we could have fresh watermelon juice at the beach.